Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Do you feel that scratch in your throat, heaviness in your head, or a sudden drop in energy? Flu and viruses don't wait, and neither should you. Today, I'm sharing with you my secret weapon, a powerful immunity shot that acts as a natural antibiotic. This potion is so strong that it can stop a cold in its tracks. Let's make it together. This is no ordinary juice. This is a concentrated bomb of vitamins and minerals designed to wake up your immunity, clear your sinuses, and help your body naturally fight infection. Before you immediately reach for the pills, try this traditional method. For this powerful drink, you only need 5 ingredients that you probably already have. 1 whole lemon, a piece of fresh ginger, 1 clove of garlic, a pinch of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of honey. Why is this combination so effective? Lemon, it is full of vitamin C, which stimulates the production of white blood cells. Ginger, it is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce fever and soothes the throat. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to fight bacteria and viruses. It is nature's strongest antibiotic. Cayenne pepper improves circulation and helps to expel mucus from the lungs and sinuses. Honey, it binds all the ingredients together, coats the throat, and provides us with the antioxidants we need. Preparation is simple. You peel the lemon and ginger and chop them into small pieces. Crush the garlic and let it stand for 5 minutes. This is how its medicinal properties are activated. Put the lemon, ginger, and garlic in a blender with very little lukewarm water. Strain the mixture into a glass. Add cayenne pepper and honey, then mix well with a wooden or plastic spoon. Drink this drink immediately. It will be hot and strong. That's how you know it works. If you already feel sick, take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. For prevention itself, it is enough to drink 1 every couple of days. If you found this recipe useful, please leave a like. It really helps my channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a health tip. I have one question for you. What city and country are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. I love to see where our audience is coming from. Also, tell me, what's your favorite folk remedy for the flu? Take care of your health, listen to your body, and warm up. Hope you feel better soon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Greetings.